Hello everyone. So if you want to increase the speed of Chrome browser on your Realme C67, well, first of all, let's open up our Google Chrome. Now at the top right corner, find these three dots, choose this option and press Settings. Now in your settings, we're to look for Security and Privacy section. So let's do this. Here are your security and privacy. Swipe down to your security tab and find use security DNS option. So open it up. You gotta press choose another provider. And now let's press here. So here we have a couple choices. So I recommend you to pick Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 111 because both options work well. So pick the one which performs better in your region. I'll pick a Cloudflare. All right, now let's reopen our Google to make our changes applied. Now open up your Google again. And now in our new tab, let's type Chrome, then double dots, / flex. All right, and here it is. So we opened up a lot of our experimental features on the Google Chrome. So on this page, we are to type parallel into our flag search. So let's do this. Parallel. Here it is, parallel downloaded. Now you're gonna press on the default and you gotta choose enabled. Now confirm your choice by pressing relaunch. And basically that's it. Now your Chrome browser should work faster and file downloads should be smoother and quicker. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day.